In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your AC high pressure switch located on the high side line going into the condenser in the front grille on a Nissan Frontier. Before replacing any AC parts, make sure you get your AC system professionally evacuated by an evac machine. Locate your battery on the passenger side front of the engine compartment, and you have your negative terminal, positive. We're going to take the negative cable off with a 10mm wrench or socket. Loosen it up just enough to get that terminal end off, and I like to tuck it somewhere underneath there so it doesn't come up and ground itself out. So to do that AC pressure switch, it's located right here next to the battery. You have the high side line, follow it down where it goes into the condenser, and there's your switch right here. There's a little harness connector, and it screws right into the AC condenser. So to remove it, we're going to take a connector and disconnect it. There's a little tab you're going to push down with your thumb and pull on that electrical connector. Pull it right off. Now the sensor itself is a 24mm. You can use a wrench, but the socket would have to be hollow enough to let that sensor go through it. I'm using a chrome deep socket because the actual sensor will fit inside there. You want to make sure that's not a stopping point. So you can take it's a 1/2-inch drive. It's also a 15/16 socket or 24mm. Set it right on there. I'm going to go counterclockwise. It's not on there too tight, just enough to break it free. And we can take it right out. Even though the system is evacuated, you hear a little vacuum, which is normal. So before we install our new high pressure switch, we're going to take this package boot off, and it comes with a new O-ring. So we're going to just take some clean PAG oil and coat that O-ring. And now we can reinstall this. Of course, tighten it up by hand. Snug it down. .24mm socket or 15/16, and it literally is a snug. Once it bottoms out, little snug turn, we can take our connector and reconnect it until it clicks. To reattach your negative cable, slide it down over, make sure it is all the way down. 10mm wrench. Once you feel it bottom out, grab the cable and pull up on it so that you're not putting any pressure on that lead stud. Make sure it's not loose. Now with all the AC repairs done, you can go back to the garage that you got your AC recovered from and have them vacuum and charge the system properly. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.